Hello my creative friends! Today I'm up for the open cup acrylic pour. I absolutely love this technique. I really like that every time the results are so beautiful and the process itself is so relaxing and satisfying for me. So love this technique. Instead of the open cup, instead of the cut cup, I'm actually using the round cookie cutter. I like that it's heavier than just the cut cup and it gives me more control as for when I'm releasing the colors from the center. I also like that it can be reused over and over again. So, several of you have requested me to do this technique without swiping the corners at the end, like I did in pretty much all of my previous open cups. So today I'm not going to swipe the corners. I'm going to leave the original shape of the open cup and yeah, let's see how it works. Let me know what you like better. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Olga Soby. You're most welcome here. This channel is all about acrylic pouring supplies and techniques. And let's get started with today's pour. So I like to get started by applying some black base color in the center of the canvas, and all of my colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. I am going to include all the details in the description as well as the supplies that I'm using, so check it out. It's very important to lift the cup straight up for a more symmetrical shape of the cells. I just love seeing all the cells slowly showing up through the black. Alright, so now I want to add a swirl in the center. I really like the effect it creates after torching and spinning. Alright, now let's try and spin it. Okay, well, this looks just perfect. I don't feel like spinning it anymore. This is so beautiful already. Let me know what you guys think. Those cells are just so beautiful, and thank you for the idea of doing it a bit differently today without the corners. I just love this technique. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to hear from you, to read from you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.